Hello, my dear listeners. Good morning to all of you. Today I am with stress management. First of all, we know about the stress. So, stress is our psycho-mental response. Stress is our psycho-mental response which create pressure at the different situation which create pressure at the different situation, different dimensions. Stress is a kind of feeling of emotion, or physical tension. It can form any event by thinking, by thoughts, and makes you uh, creative, and it makes you frustrate, feel frustrated, angry, nervous, different types cases. When we define stress, then we can say any types of changes that caused physiological, emotional, psychological strain, and strains create an effect on human mind, human physiology, human psychology, and any animal also involved in the stress positions, and each and every animals are feelings to the stress, angry, emotional. So stress is your effect on your physic, your mental temperament, your body response to anything that require attention or action, that require attention or action. So we can say the different types of creations, different types of negative activities and positive also create under the uh, sense of stress, under the stage of the stress. So, according to the Tim Newton say an epidemic playing modernity, epidemic playing modernity, which is uh, having the nature of adoptive phenomena of human psychology, human physiology, and according to the situation. So this one is the change, dynamic change effect on human behavior, human temperaments, human. We discuss about the human beings. Mainly we discuss with the phase of the humanitic condition, effect of the humanitic conditions. So therefore, and the organization, if any organization should establish a strategy for managing stress of their employees among the participants, and among the participants implies health, implies situation, implies working in moments, then it perform, get result, we get result according to the as per the performance, in the form of the performance. So primarily organizational administrative system responsible for improvement or change in the organizational policies. Management can also effective communication, structuring of the policies, distribution of the power and liabilities, and other outlooks whatsoever directly indirectly involve or give the effect on the performance of the human being. Thus stress as the product of an interaction between the individual needs and resources, and the various demands which the individual, it is basically appears as a fundamentally social, moral, and the institutional refers to the ethical formulations, moral refers the condition of the confidence and the place of the individual person, social in the image value of the persons. So according to the Sally give the three stages in the stress. first stage known as the alarm, stress alarm to body, to physic. Under this stage, the individual has lower resistance when he or she is in a state of psychological disequilibrium, then which does not permit the individual to coexist conformability with the environments. The first is known as the alarm. Second is on the behalf of the classification of the SLE. This one is the first alarm. Second, the exhaustion. It results when the willingness, degree of willingness and ability of the human beings to adapt to the stimulates collapse. This will result in giving up. This will result in giving up or the resigning oneself to the inevitable and lead to damage psychological and the physical health, both which is the directly effective psychological and effective. First one is the alarm, second one is the exhaustion, third one is the resistance. Resistance means individual adapt to the stimulus which permit him or her to eventually return to state of psychological equilibrium. Psychological equilibrium, there are three types. Alarm is the primary, exhaustive is the middle status of the things, and resistance to the individual persons how we manage. According to the Winfield and Bishop, give a theory institutional forms, and they say stress is essentially physiological condition induced by the external condition that release or restrict certain chemical in the brain. This is turn can lead to the psychological changes in the individual, resulting in change of behavior. It is associated with the psychological perception of an individual about the pressure of the contingencies. And another is the goodness, another philosopher who give the responsible according to goodness. Stress could be seen as in a part of consequences, as a part of consequences of the increasing uncertainty of modern life, means change era, means change pattern, means change situation. It appear as a fundamentally social, moral and institutional. How we justified the socialization of the individual value of the person, team, organization, and the moral value of the resources, human resources and others, and individual form of the stress. So there are different types situation according to the Cooper. One another in the Cooper give a system, means stress is seen as the product of an interaction between individual need and the resource and the various demanded constraints and the facilitators within the individual's immediate environments. So organization give the things according to the situation, according to the psychomental status, according to the position of things. According to the Robbins model give the environmental, organizational, health related things, organizational and the health related as condition of the health. So psychologically means emotionally, means the depression, means the anxiety, means the angers, feelings, these things. also involved in the psychological temperature, which come from the environmental situation, environment means the organizational situation. Organizational status composed by the work responsibility and the other things means the responsibility, decision making powers, means the relations, means the behavior, means the temperament of person, means the perception, means the degree of feelings in the and these effect on the human anatomy, human physiology, and human physical status. So physiological, psychological, and behavioral system also the give an impact. These impact create different types changes in the mind, in the physiology, in the at the working position, working condition. So consequences, we discuss now the consequences. Consequences according to Robbins, consequences is the physiological and the psychological. Second one is the behavioral system. So in physiological system, symptoms stress increase heart breathing, rate of the circulation of blood. So the dimensions are changes of the mind. Increased blood pressure means the power of concentration minimize and induced heart attacks. This one is the disease of the pressure by the created by the pressures. In the psychological system, stress create tension, anxiety, boredom, irritabilities, irritabilities. So behavioral change of the persons and behavioral system increase the toxicity. Human beings try to adjust and try to minimize the try to minimize the stress, power of the degree of the stress by the third force. And third force just taking the toxicity, any types of and the rapid speed and misunderstanding to each other's subordinates and seniors. So this one is the disturbance because the due to the stress. So stress management is liable to a program for stress removing practice of the stress management. Hawthorne studies Western Electronic Company in Chicago in the year of 1936 established the employee assistance program. Stress management training. Stress management training. Basically, stress management deal with the management expert, not only a remedial measures but also as a way to resource management. If group stress can be removed by the introducing group of discussion and the facilitate a long term for the different views, different types of the health relief tactics, practice of for minimization of the stress. So the much more condition is under the control. Stress management training, different types of stress management training, and primarily we categorize which types of stress. If stress try to buy the motivation relief, if stress try the misunderstanding the relief, if stress try the psychomental therapies So this one is the best part. And stress management training under the session, management uh, try to establish a course designed acquired to the requirement, designed according to the requirement, and try to coping the stress of individual level, group level, with the different dimension, and find out the feedback, means the result. Under these procedures, we try to minimize biological uh, reactions, relaxations, physical relaxation, muscles relaxation, heart relaxation, brain strain relaxations, and different types by the different types methods. And second one is the stress intervention. Stress intervention or reduction in the third form of the stress management. Therefore, the stress intervention appears only as a prescription by a small number of researchers and has received little application as an stress management practice. So, there are three kinds of employee assistance program: stress training management and stress intervention. Though Tim Newton's find out negative and positive both things. Negative which deteriorate the performance, physical status, mental status, and the psychological status. Positive stress, which is the promote to the energetic with reference of the completion of the objectives, means the job responsibility, means the different types of responsibility whatsoever the decide is. If there is the poor performance, so poor performance refers to the different causes. Find out if there are the stress kind, there are the causes on the behalf of the stress, then minimize the stress. And different issues like that, the absenteeism, a symptom found in the organization, absenteeism at work. So what is the reason of the absenteeism? Di- Negative threats, relation related threat, grievances, or any types of the damages, psychomental damages, are uninterested, not interested, people are not interested, are group behavior. So if this one is the group behavior, then find out the group relation, cooperation and coordination, degree of cooperation and coordination. If any irritation regarding to the policy matters, regarding to planning and implementation systems, then you correct the strategical formulation whatsoever, create the negative dimensions. And the uh, social systems, social system increase the social tensions with different types of the morning to evening, who create the uh, disturbance in, yeah, minimize the value, image, performance. So these things are the social resistance to social changes. If person situation under the transaction period, they are not the unified under the position of the development, then you wait and turn to the position. And the withdrawal from the normal social networks means the social systems person ignore to the societies, means that there were the depression, and the depression by the position, by the hurt, and hurt to image, by the minimization of value, economics, social image, different types equation are implemented. And behavioral means the behavior with the job routine, work routine, means the poor decision making power. Poor decision making powers give the wrong decision, most probably give the wrong decision give the depression, and depression and wrong decision tends to the minimization of the value, performance, and feedback. So this one is very harmful. Any types of the uh, accident at the workplace, this one is also the happen the stress and create the nervousness and minimize the loss of potential. Loss of potential is they also create the different types of negative stress. And psychological determination, moral, psychologically minimize individual, person, group, and organization people, so minimize their moral, means the confidence, means the level of motivation minimize. So the performance also the minimize, energetic level minimize, means minimize the new zeal of the human being. So moral and other performance related to other performance feedback and other results are the minimized. Any types of the hurdle in the effective communication, means the perception involved in the communication. Always try to there were the no involvement of the professions. Confirm open discussion, open communication, confirm communication is the finish the each and every barriers. And the irrational judgment about the others, this one is the also hurt to the individual persons. I mean, finish their growth, career development related, job responsibility related, power related, administrative systems related, all things which is the irrational. Any types of judgment by the supervisor, by the middle level management, by the administrative system, by the governance, whatsoever directly indirectly involved, this if irrational, this also the create the negative tendency of the human beings. Sense of distress, this one is also create the distress. Thanks to all of you, my dear listeners. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and like, subscribe, share to the channel. Thanks to all of you.